Hi, this is John. In this video clip, I'll be talking about electrical safety. If you take a look at the cord on your router, you will notice that it is a 3-prong cord. You want to make sure that you have that third prong on it so it properly grounds it. If you happen to buy a router used and this third prong is missing, I would highly recommend replacing the cord so that your tool can be grounded properly. Another thing that you want to be aware of is that the cord connected to your power tool is the lifeline of your power tool, so you want to protect it. The next thing that you want to make note of is that if you're using an extension cord, you want to make sure that it is in good condition. And when using an extension cord, you want to be sure to use one heavy enough to carry the current that your power tool is going to draw from it.